Today's video, I am going to use one product, two products, three products, four products, five products to create an eye look and finish this look. This base is on because I was trying the One Size Oil Sucker Oil Control Primer, and I used that with my Mented foundation stick. If you want to see that video, I will put it in the cards. Go check it out on YouTube. But now these 5 products is what I'm going to take to do the eyes, the cheeks, the lips, and to complete this look. Keep watching because let's see if I can actually stretch 5 products to complete this face. Today's I am came from the comments and it says, I am a child of God, loved unconditionally. I am a child of God and I am loved unconditionally. I am taking this fluffy brush. I am going into this shade right here and I am going to use that on my eyes. I'm going to put it in the crease first and then work it up towards the brow bone. I want the crease to be darker, so I concentrate there first and then I just walk it up so it can get lighter and lighter as I go up. I keep putting it in the crease first. Like I say, I'm trying to darken the crease, but I also want it to go up a little higher towards the brow bone. So after that, I just walk it right through little by little, and it gets lighter and lighter the higher I go up. Like this. The most amount, I will put it in the crease and then walk it up little at a time. Just want to show you how to get that done. You just walk it up little at a time. After you pass it in the crease a couple times, you just go up. Just dab your brush up, 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 up to get it lighter. If you want it darker than that, you just go right to it. But if you want to get it lighter, you just walk it up after you put the most amount in the crease like this a couple times. Then you just walk the brush up a little at a time, and you will get to the shade that you need. Right? If you have any questions or if you want me to do a different eye look or you have something specific, leave it in the comments and I'll try to accommodate it into a video for you. This is the new Juvia's Place Cream Blush in Terracotta. This is what the back looks like. I don't think you can see the shade, but I will. This is the front. Juvia's Place always makes some really nice things. This is the shade. Woo! That is bright. But I'm going to use this shade on my eyes, my cheeks, and my lips. We're making dual duty product. This is so pretty. I don't even want to touch it, but I have to, right? So I'm going to take it and put it on my lids. I think I take the brush that's way too big, but we'll make it work. Maybe not. Maybe I need my fingers because that brush is a little too big. This color is so pretty. This is a beautiful color. It is very balmy. But I have the first shade I put on. We'll use that to seal this cream because you know you have to set a cream. With the brush, it's so much more pigmented, right? Oh my God, this color is pretty. So I'm going to take the brush with a little bit it have on it, and I'm just going to go over this so we can match the sides so they can both look the same. What you do to one eye, you want to do to the other. This is so pretty on my skin tone. Wow. I wanted the berry something, but that was already sold out. They didn't have any in Ulta left. So my second choice was terracotta. I'm happy I did pick it up because I kind of like those shades. So this is the balm on my eyes. I'm going to do my cheeks. Let's move the hair out of the way. Since I already have this brush dirty, I'm just gonna use it. I'm going heavy, heavy, heavy. I don't know what the results are gonna look like, but if you know me, I make things work over here. So this is terracotta blush, but I have it on my eyes. Now I gotta take another brush just to fix it. I'm taking this brush because I want to spread it out. I cannot keep telling you how pretty this look. I usually don't do too many creams. I don't do creams per se because I have oily skin. But I saw this and I like the shade, what it looks like in the jar. So I was like, I gotta have it. I can figure out a way to use it. I can set it. I mean, take a look at this. Isn't this pretty? And I even want to put more. Isn't that something? I want to put more, but we will see where this takes us first, right? Wow, this is pretty. Take a look at this. This is so pretty. That's terracotta on my cheeks. Now terracotta on my lips. I take my finger. 7 words beat. Take a look. I have terracotta, Juvia's Place, cream blush on my lips, my eyes, my cheeks. Now to set this terracotta blush, I'm going back into this shade. And I'm just going to go over it because cream products need to be set. So I'm setting it with that. This is a beautiful shade. Make sure you take your time to set it. After I used the brush, what I did, I went in with my finger just to tap to make sure everything stay in place and don't travel. So remember, you can use your fingers to tap it in on top of the cream to set it. Now we are set. I mean, take a look. You see what I meant about you walk it up until it shears up. As you see, it gets deeper and it gets lighter, lighter, lighter as you go up to the brow bone. Isn't this cute? This is cute. Please try this. Try and do multi-use, a few products, multi-use products, and let me know if you are going to try this or if you have tried it or if this is something new to you. So far, I have not set the blush, just the eyeshadow. So that's 2 products so far that have created the eyeshadow. And now I am going to set this blush. I'm going back into the same eyeshadow. And I'm just going to go right over the cream blush and set it. It looks like a lot now, but once you finish and you take your sponge and your brush and you go over it, it will come out nice. So just trust the process and you will get it all together. Trust it, trust it. If you are doing it, trust yourself. Now I have said it. Trust the process. It's going to come together. Now, this is what I have on so far. So this is just 2 products we have used, right? The next product I'm going to use is the One Size foundation powder. It's too dark for me right on the tone. So I am going to now take that and put in the outer corner and bronze the rest of my face. Taking this brush and I'm going to bronze. You'll see the difference. Putting back some color in my skin since I put the base on. You see how it's coming together? You can see all of it coming together, all of it. Now for hair, I'm going to just use it to contour. You see how I contour? And I'm just going to swoop it up and swoop it up into the blush. Right? You see the difference? It will all come together. Now for the eyes, I'm going to take this same product. For the eyes, right here in the outer corner, I'm going to take this brush and this bronzer, and I'm just going to add it right here. So far, this is 3 products so far. Hopefully you can see everything taking shape, right? You see the difference? I hope you can see the things taking shape. Now for my nose, I'm going to use this brush and I'm going right here. See this? And see this? There's a difference, right? If you look, you can see the difference. This is bronze. So far, I have used 3 products: the eyeshadow, the blush, and the contour slash bronzer. Now it's an eye pencil. It's LA Colors. It's a brown one. I'm going to use that to line my eyes and then my lips. I need a magnifying mirror, so I'm coming closer, closer. Browns don't show up on me that much. Can you see the brown? Again, browns don't show up on me that much. Now, I wipe it and I'm going to line my lips. Seven words beat. Brown liner for eyeliner and lip pencil. I put the eyeliner on the top lash. Now I'm taking the eyeliner and I'm putting in the bottom waterline. I am putting the eyeliner in the waterline. Product number 5, mascara. Let me know how I did with these 5 products. These are the 5 products. How do you think I did? Take a look. My base was already on, but these 5 products finish my face. The blush did 3 duties. The blush did the blush, the eyes, and the lips. The eyeshadow did the eyeshadow, the cheeks. This powder, which I use as a bronzer contour, did the bronzer contour and to darken the outer corner of my eyes. Eyeliner lined the top lashes, lower lashes, and I use it as a lip liner. Mascara, top lashes, and lower lashes. 5 products did this look. If you'd like to see other videos like this, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what combo of multi-use that I can use to create a look for you. And please do remember, you are a child of God that is loved unconditionally. You are a child of God that is loved unconditionally. 5 products to complete this makeup look. The base. The video will be in the cards so you can see how I created the base first. And then the 5 products that completed it. Tell me, what do you think? Did I do a good job? How did everything turn out? Please let us talk in the comments. That helps a lot with my channel. And if you'd like to request a look, leave it in the comments. I love you all again. I will see you all soon and again. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. Bye.